Good day mga kapatid. So, ngayon naman paparinig ko sa inyo yung yung sample sound using ghost fire patch cable. So yan. So siya, noise free. So ang gamit kong amp is Oscar Smith. Then naka ghost fire guitar cable papunta sa effects. Then from guitar ko papunta doon sa may polytune, naka ghost fire din ako. Then meron akong Nova delay, soul food for overdrive, then reverb. Then ang gamit ko naman na guitar is a Fender Duo HS na color green. Ayan. So ito yung sample sound. Ito yung clean. So ito naman yung may konting reverb. So yan naman yung may sample, may konting reverb. And dagdagan natin yung reverb. So, dagdagan natin ang delay. So, yan yung may delay. So, subukan naman natin yung naka-overdrive. So, yan yung sample na may overdrive. So, sample naman nung may mas kapal yung reverb. Thank you guys and have a nice day.